everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to make pie dough. In order to make pie dough, you will need 2 1/2 cups of flour, 1 cup of butter cut into pieces and it should be frozen, 1/4 of a cup of ice cold water, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, and a blender jar. So the first step is we're going to blend together the flour and the sugar. So pour your flour into the blender jar. And then add your sugar in. Make sure it doesn't get stuck on the bottom. And then put it in pulse a few times. After you pulse together your all-purpose flour and sugar, you're going to add in your butter. So you should put your butter or pulse a few times because it's frozen. Now put the top on and pulse it a few times. After blending together your all-purpose flour, sugar, and butter, then when you're blending it again, drizzle in the ice-cold water. After you blend it together, your all-purpose flour, butter, and water, get a good surface so that you can knead the dough. I got this granite cutting board. Pour all the flour down. Mine might be too small, so I'm just going to do bit by bit. Then when you knead it, see how it just gets together, makes it like big dough thing. And do that to all the dough so it gets a nice shape. So after you knead it up, then just knead it and it'll be done. After you kneaded the dough for a super long time, it's supposed to at least be sticking together like and make a big blob like this. After it's a big blob like this, you can just rest it. And if you made it ahead like I am doing, you just put it in the fridge. Because you don't want the butter which is in these layers to melt. And if you're making it fresh, you just need to roll it up, put it in the pie pan, and stuff it up. That's how you make pie dough. Bye!